Have you thought about what it would be like to be able to make $2,500 to $3,000 a month in your spare time? Have you thought about what it really takes? In a moment, you'll see that it won't have to take more than 10 or 15 minutes a day. But before we get started, let me just stress that the way in which we do trading has got nothing to do with binary options, no gambling, or running high risk. When you trade, you can buy a share or you can choose to speculate in the price development of that share. If you choose to buy a share, its price will have to increase for you to make money. So, you lock in a large amount of money for a potential profit that may not show for several years. And if the company goes broke, you'll have lost all your money. If you choose to speculate instead of owning a share, then you'll be able to make money no matter if the prices increase or decrease. You will need less capital, the costs are low, and all trading is done online. This sort of trading is more than 100 years old. With the emergence of the Internet, this approach is no longer reserved for banks, funds, and strong speculators. Today, millions of traders do their trading this way. Today, you can earn money when there is a drop in the oil price or when gold or silver lose value, and, as has been seen for the past 3 years, when several currencies have dropped by more than 50% against the US dollar. It has been said that the price takes the stairs on the way up, but the elevator on the way down. Hi, my name is John. I promise to get straight to the point so you won't waste your time. One of the most important reasons why you should trade in both directions is that it improves your chances of making money. Back in the 70s and 80s, you could invest in government bonds and make 8 to 9% a year without taking any real risk. And when adding the compound interest, you could have doubled your investment over the course of 12 years. Today, you can get around 1 to 1.5% interest on government bonds. And if you're lucky, you might get around 0.5% interest in the bank. When the old sources of income disappear, you have to come up with some new ones. In the 90s, you could get a share of the American S&P 500 index for around 20 working hours, which consists of the 500 largest companies in the USA. Today, you have to work for more than 90 hours to get the same share. To put it briefly, opportunities change. Today, it is just as natural to trade based on an assumption that the price will decrease as it is to trade based on an assumption that it will increase. Today, you've got great options to trade and make money by using trading systems used by the pros. But changes require new ways to address risk, new ways to avoid pitfalls, new ways to ensure a profit. Without these new ways, you're not adjusting to the new times. Not so long ago, I was losing more money than I earned on the financial markets. I was frustrated, tired of buying useless advice and systems that didn't work after all. I always entered the market just a bit too early, and that gave me a loss instead of a profit, or I entered the market too late and missed out on $3,000 to $4,000 and sometimes even more than $6,000 in profits. And we're talking about trades where my risk was no higher than a few $100s. And it is really annoying to miss out on $6,000 in profit just because you were a bit late. Perhaps you can recognize this from yourself. You're doing all the right things, but you just don't get enough of a return. Or even worse, you are subject to unnecessary losses, which could have made you a nice profit instead. Many people are attracted to trading because it gives the ordinary man or woman a real chance to make a fortune. The market doesn't judge you based on how hard you work, your education, former experience, success or failure. Perhaps you're a lawyer making $200 an hour, or a bricklayer making $30 to $40 an hour. No matter what, most people exchange their time for money, and when the week is done, most of us have exchanged 40 hours for cash. When you trade, you can spend as little as 5 minutes on setting things up, and with the right trading system, trading can make you money for the rest of the day. Your income can keep growing for days, well, even weeks and months, where your income can just keep getting bigger and bigger. You can make $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, or $6,000 for just 5 minutes work, if you can even call it work. And you can do it from a small investment, where you only risk a few $100s. The problem is that most people who trade in their spare time decide what to do based on tips and advice from TV, newspapers, blogs, news, or tips from their neighbor, and this simply isn't sustainable. I've been there, I've done it, and it doesn't work. Here's what you should do instead. You should begin using a trading system which has already proved its ability to make money. Once you've tested its ability based on historical data, you can begin testing the trading system on current data on a free demo account without running any sort of risk. Once you have convinced yourself that it actually works, then you begin to trade using the system and your profits will begin to arrive. This is how I went from losing money on the stock market to earning a lot of money. If you don't make money, or perhaps you have tried to trade and you lost money doing so, it isn't your fault. Nobody's better than the trading system that they use. There are no good or bad traders, only good or bad trading systems. Let me show you what I mean. Have a look at this picture. This is the rate of English pounds and Canadian dollars. Will the rate rise or fall? It looks as if the rate might fall. But this is just a guess, and I've tried it thousands of times. Experts and smart people who work on Wall Street don't know it either. That's why it's important that you don't believe that you can actually predict or guess the direction of the price. Perhaps you are already using some trading tools to discover the direction, but if they actually worked, you wouldn't be listening to me right now. As you can see on the next image, I was wrong again. The rate is actually rising over the next 2 days. In trading, it is important to understand that prices don't go straight up and down. The prices just keep adjusting themselves. That's why it's so damn difficult to discover the exact time when the price will rise and when it will fall. If I had traded this time, I would have lost 430 pips. I am investing $10 per pips these days. This amounts to a loss of $4,300. Normally, I wouldn't trade based on just a guess, as it is way too risky, and I always use a stop loss on all my trades, limiting any potential losses. I would never expose my trading account to risk $4,300 on just a single trade, not even with the perfect system, because you never know when the loss sets in. All you can know is that sooner or later it will. Nobody should trade without protection. When you trade, it is all about limiting your risk and to always protect your trades, while at the same time you have the possibility of unlimited profits that can just grow and grow throughout the trade. If you have a trade where you can't lose any more than a few $100s, but you've got the trading system for making $800, $900, even $1,000, then trading begins to be exciting. And if the trading system can avoid the corrections and price fluctuations which makes most traders lose money, then it gets even more exciting. On the next image, you can see that the price drops again. The price is almost on the same level as it was 4 days ago. Most traders focus mostly on making a quick profit, but with that focus, they also run a large risk. The trading software system which I use does not only focus on profits. Its primary focus is to enter the market when the risk is at a minimum for hitting into a fluctuation or a price correction, which will lead to a loss. This means that you can lean back and wait to enter the market until the time is just right. And in this way, you can get some of those really good profit opportunities which keep appearing, which 98% of all spare-time traders miss out on. Look to the right, and you will see that it takes a few days from the time of the fluctuations and our guessing until the trading software finds just the right spot in a declining market. The software system finds the perfect time, and this is what you need if you want to make money. The price begins to drop right away, and the profit is growing day by day, week by week. It is important that you get a good interval before the price begins correcting itself again. Otherwise, you'll get a loss when the price hits your stop-loss protection. The trading system also shows that on March 10th, there'll be a new opportunity for those who didn't get in from the start. The software will keep finding you new profit opportunities until there's no more profit to pick up from this trade. Once again, you can see that the price begins to fall right away, and that it keeps falling until the trading software shows you that this is the time to get out of your trade and to collect your profit. A price drop of 1,795 pips with an investment of $10 per pips, and my profit will close at $17,950. If I hadn't entered until March 10th, my profit would only have been $5,900. The risk will be the same, whether you get in at the beginning or later on. As a trader, you have to be determined, but with this software, there's also an opening for those who are a bit more hesitant, who have less experience, or who have never traded before. I'll just get back to our guessing and the fluctuation of 430 pips. If you had made your trade a few days earlier, you would have lost money, and you would have missed out on a profit of $17,900. With the trading software system, you can avoid running into most of these fluctuations. Naturally, the system can't avoid losses entirely, but you will find that the price reverses to go in a different direction in a new trend. And I can live with that, because it makes sense that I will lose a bit of money when the market turns upside down. Here we see a rising market. I'm going to show you how the software indicates that you should make a trade. The price went up by 1,950 pips, and if you trade with only a small investment of around $10 per pips, which is the case with a lot of our traders, there is a profit opportunity of $19,150. And with $100 per pips, the profit opportunity is $191,500. You'll get access to our members site, and here the software will show you live what is the perfect timing. Just as in this trade, the software will find the unique opportunity for you to avoid a major fluctuation and thus avoid having a loss. In this case, the software shows you to make a trade, as the major fluctuations have passed. The price is on course again, and you will get into a rise of 500 pips times $10, which is a profit opportunity of $5,000. This is the kind of profit opportunity that you will get with this software. You can even make a trade of just $1 per pips, and in this case, your risk will be no more than $70 and your profit opportunity $500. The software keeps finding opportunities for you, so if you didn't get in at the first opportunity, the software will indicate the next. As you can see here, the software once again finds a perfect timing. Naturally, you shouldn't trade again if you got in at the first. Here you can see that there are 700 pips, a profit opportunity of $7,000 in this time period. You should let your trade stay active, and you will see your profit grow, and naturally you'll also learn how to protect your profit once the market turns. I think you may be starting to understand the benefits of this software. It'll keep showing you new opportunities. Here is yet another opportunity of 400 pips or $4,000 if you trade for just $10 per pip. Let me show you the big picture. It speaks for itself. By now, you've seen a few examples of how the system finds the perfect spot, and I could go on and on about it. Quite often, the market trend stays longer than most people think. Over time, you'll see long periods of increases or decreases for weeks or months, where there will naturally be corrections or fluctuations, such as they're known. If you hit into these fluctuations when you go into the trade, you will lose money. If, on the other hand, you get in at the right time, you stand to earn a lot of money. Here's what the other traders say about the trading system. Peter writes, "Hi, the trading system of this software has the best timing in the world. I'm making 3 to 5 times the risk that I run, so I don't feel under pressure. I really only have to win a small part of my trades, and I'll still be in profit. All the best, Peter." Kim writes, "Hi, Maria at support. I always get it wrong about whether the market is coming up or down, but the software rarely does so. You can ignore that or you can use it. I've decided to do a bit more. I'm almost abusing it." Kim shows a smiley icon. "My profits for the month of June 2016 have reached $17,718. Thank you for making such a good system. Sincerely, Kim." Apart from trading at the right time, you'll also spend no more than a few minutes on actually setting up your trade, so that it opens and closes all by itself. The trading system with live mark prices clearly indicates where and when you should enter into a trade. You can see all of it live on the member site, where you will have 20 different profit opportunities. If Lego is easy for kids, this trading software is easy for traders. Naturally, there's a comprehensive guide, a free no-deposit demo account, and our support team if you are in doubt about anything, and you can use any broker you like. The reason why I like the software is that because it gives me a far better profit, less risk, and I only have to spend 10 to 15 minutes on it, the days that I'm trading. If you don't reinvest your profits, but instead decide to take it out and use it to sweeten your life, one small investment with a risk of just $100, you'll be able to make $300 to $500 a week, probably much more, but let's just say somewhere between $1,200 and $2,000 a month, or $14,000 to $24,000 a year. To build a trading system and test it so that anyone can trade like a pro in just 10 to 15 minutes a day naturally takes a lot of money and time. So, what is the cost of a software and trading system that shows you where the risk and fluctuations are the lowest and the profit is the highest? Would $2,500 be a reasonable price for such a system? I know that it is worth much more. Or would half of that be fair? I know that even $1,250 would put some people off. Our life consists of big decisions, or excuses for not making decisions. I know you want to get started, because who doesn't want to spend 10 to 15 minutes a few times a week to get a chance of earning $24,000 a year? Therefore, I have decided that you can get started for just $469 for 12 months access to the Live Software's trading system. Because if you don't get started right now, I don't think you're going to change the way in which you invest and make money. There are bad and good decisions, and you're about to make one of them right now. If you make the right one, our relationship won't stop here. Rather, it will really first begin. Our trading team uses our software and trading system themselves, and we are ready if you need us. I really want you to check out the trading system of this software. I want you to feel how it's like to spend 10 to 15 minutes and see the profit that continues to grow for each day it runs. And therefore, I'll give you a guarantee. If you don't earn money on using this system, you'll get your money back. You can read more about it on the website. Decide right now and get a bonus. Make the right decision and save. Click the order button now, and you'll get 2 years full access to the software and the trading system, plus a comprehensive trading guide, plus a free demo trading account, plus full support. All this for 2 years for the price of one. That's a full access for less than $20 a month. You'll save $469, but you need to act quickly. This price can disappear at any time, and it won't come back. Are you ready to trade like a pro? Spend 10 to 15 minutes a day and willing to invest 65 cents a day to make a profit? If yes, click the order button now. I'm looking forward to welcoming you.